Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long ka court admission haki degree but diploma course banong chef hotelier but kiway bandep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka Jaintia Students Union kala Dawa ya ka Sdang no jong ka class step ne morning shift ha Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai but ka class janmiet ne ka evening shift ha Kiang Nangbah Government College Jowai kanang bakala ban pediang kelas kambun ngot ki khana puli. Ka union kala penmi ya kani ka Dawa ha ka dorkas bala Aisha Menteri Rangba ka jela u konrad ki sangma ha orchid in thalashken ha ka janmi jong ka arphui tarek u jemang arajar arpsan ha ka te ka dorkas ka union kala ong bakat kum ka jingshem jong ka Kiang Nangbah Government College kala ban shim ne pediang kelas tanglai spasan phongot ki khana puli kentop menstep bat mensngi bat ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School pat ka pediang tang shispa khasan ngot ki khana puli ha ka por menstep ne day shift ka JSU kala Dawaru ba ka sarkar ka deban penheno ya ki building jong ka Kiang Nangbah Government College bat ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School khanang bagen la ban pediang kambun ki khana puli. Halor kita gi Dawa jong ka JSU u Menteri Rangba u lakular ban khmi binya yaki bat kumjuru ban thau ki lat kilinti kumno ban pen orlong yaki.
Hadin wada yo pon gi khna por lum jentiang im yo admission class 11 gi le pon le one report chaga JSU tani yang gi JSU sen bay the chimmi ga daga senja mo khudi khna one gi chaga office yang sen u gi detail yang ki nei benta wirap wiklam bang sarkar benta admission yang ki terliang yang i Jantia Student Union nigsngi le chemu chief minister yang sarkar Meghalaya nei benta wo suggest little point nei benta wo wirap punyo admission yang kini kena po rilum Jantia yang i kadang report audio i dagi spak ngi kena borok ubi Jantia ngyo admission gi terliang i kesen JSU da suggesti wo introduce government the evening shift haga Kiang Nangbah Higher Secondary School te hiju porle da suggesti wo introduce ka sarkar the morning shift ha Government Boys Higher Secondary School te hiju porle point number 3 da suggesti ya government Uchna lagi extension building yung Kiang Nangbah Government College ko Jwai kamjo le JSU le Dawa kan por su por punyo yung extension building ha po is Jantia kamjo le yu expand gi stream go pero do BBE BCE kamjo le yung stream go wadang MK te hadin de bichemo chief minister dukular gi wa kama artist ni ni benta wo work out gi wo thob nya gi kamon wo solve ye gani ka issue te gani ka message e chi be gi pa yang na school tu pam yo class usha bha bi mo du jingermen in liang na sen lem chong thai yi without butin ye gani ka jingkular yang sarkar agni ki athletics ni godawan.
Basically they had met us and as you are aware that this year in the metric exams the results were beyond our expectations also. We did expect that our results would improve, but we did not expect such high results. And therefore, naturally, the system for class 11 admission was not ready for the large number of students who passed out, which is of course a good thing that they passed out, but now the challenge is there in front of us to accommodate these students. In the overall analysis that we have done throughout the state, we have realized that more than 98% of the students in terms of the number of students to the number of seats available in the state in class 11 is almost 90 99, in fact, I should say 99%, the capacity is there. There's only 1% deficiencies there in the system right now. I don't have the exact numbers, but 60,000 plus. The problem is that the students are preferring certain locations for their studying. So therefore, as per the demand and the requirement of the student in a particular location is not there. But if you look at the whole state, it's there. So the challenge now lies is that people are preferring, Tura Government College. People are preferring Kiang, a government college, and therefore that preference is becoming the challenge for us. Nonetheless, we are urging students through the press also that, like in admissions in any level that you go for, please keep your options open. Let's have plan A, plan B, plan C, so that you, at least at the end of the day, end up getting a seat, because this is a challenging year for us. Hopefully by next year we'll be able to improve the situation. And second thing we want to say is that wherever possible, we are trying to come up with extra classes. So definitely the suggestion given by the Honorable MLA and by the JSU is a positive suggestion. We will definitely examine. Time is less, of course, but we'll examine and see how best we can address this issue. Government college, the government's policy now is to focus more on people's college, because with the same financial implication, we are able to start or fund 3-4 more colleges if we go for people's college, and hence the impact is even larger. So we are stressing more on people's college model, where we work in participation with the community, and we are able to give grant and aid to different colleges run by the community and support them, and the community then runs the colleges. So that is a model that we are preferring as of now, and definitely for East Jayanti Hills also and other parts of the state where there is a deficiency in terms of college seats. We will examine this. We have got a lot of representation from many parts of the state, and we are positively examining all of them.